Now, WLOX First Alert Weather with meteorologist Taylor Graham.
Well, if you look out the window, you probably know today is a complete washout. Basically, everyone in South Mississippi is seeing rain in some form or fashion right now. Our radar is lit up with showers and thunderstorms. Some of these storms have been on the strong side, not only producing heavy rainfall, but even a little bit of hail. Unfortunately, Ida is going to be moving over some very deep, warm water, and that's going to allow it to rapidly intensify going into Sunday. But don't let the sunshine fool you. It's pretty chilly outside. Thanks to that cold front that moved through, it is much cooler today, breezy as well with some gusts near 20 miles per hour. High temperatures are barely going to reach 60. Now, again, one of the pluses to seeing the rain today was that we were able to cool down a little bit. And thankfully, the ridge of high pressure that was giving us all of that heat the past few days has started to move out of the way. I do want to mention that because this wind is out of the south and it's a pretty brisk wind, that could be blowing some sand along Highway 90. Now, thankfully, on our journey from Gulfport to Biloxi didn't seem too bad. But as we know around here, it doesn't take too much of a wind to cause some of that sand to pile up along the road. According to radar estimates over the past day, the past 24 hours, looks like some areas near Orange Grove maybe have picked up 9 to 10 inches of rain, and with additional heavy rainfall that's easily going to cause more flooding. But temperatures are expected to drop as the day goes on, and if we get some of that air close to freezing to meet up with some of the moisture, that's where we could start to see a little bit of that wintry mix. This is where we're seeing the heaviest rainfall right now, mainly east of Highway 49. Up into Lucia, we've got some heavier downpours beginning to pass through, and as these showers and this rain trains over itself, that's going to lead to more of a flooding potential.
Snow cones, ice cream, a tall glass of iced tea or ice water, anything to keep you cool today, Taylor.
Yeah, all of those sound wonderful right now. When I stepped outside on my break, it felt like a sauna outside.
I'm sure.
Yeah, it is hot and it is humid around here. That's where we had a little bit of the rotation moving in from Alabama. Again, nothing confirmed right now, but if you're in Big Point, Hurley, go ahead, stay away from windows. We could see something develop within the next few minutes, and anytime we get these tropical rain bands to move through, these tornadoes can form very, very quickly. Compared to this time yesterday, it is way cooler here across much of the southeast. In fact, some of us are running about 15 to 20 degrees cooler. We've really lucked out this month, not on the rain, but as far as the heat. Because it's been so rainy and cloudy, we've barely warmed up near 90 in Gulfport, according to the records at the airport. Here at the station in Biloxi, we haven't even reached 90 so far this month. Earlier, when we were moving through western Gulfport and through Long Beach, we got slammed with some very heavy rainfall and some gusty winds. I've noticed that the farther west we've gone, closer to Pass Christian, into parts of Long Beach, it seems like we are encountering a little bit more debris on Highway 90. We can already see this big cold front taking shape, and up towards the northern plains, there's some much cooler air already settling in. That's going to head in our direction by Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, just in time for the official start of fall. And check out that. This is on our Silver Slipper Talcum Bay, St. Louis. The water really began to push in, and it's not helping that we're starting to see more of that easterly to southeast wind pick up. Surge is likely going to get worse from here. It's like a nice day to head out to the pool. Again, some clouds will thicken up this afternoon and can't rule out a stray shower. But going into our Memorial Day, things look even better. I'll have our complete weekend forecast coming up in a few minutes. The severe weather threat at this point has basically diminished. Thankfully, the stronger thunderstorms have now moved out of South Mississippi into Alabama, and you can see the leading edge of those thunderstorms right there where we've got some heavy rainfall. But as I say that, we're still hearing some rumbles of thunder across the coast. Just heard a pretty loud one right here at the station. But we're not out of the woods. We're still watching Invest 92L that's expected to drift farther to the north over the next few days. I know I sound like a broken record, but because it hasn't developed completely yet, still too early to know. It's exact track and strength. But as we take a look at satellite imagery, you can see there the eye trying to become a little bit more defined. That's a sign it's trying to strengthen, and we still expect Ida to strengthen very quickly over the next 24 hours. This Easter weekend is looking fantastic. Not only is today nice, but I expect tomorrow for Easter Sunday to be even better. A little warmer with highs near 70 despite another chilly start. We'll see nothing but sunshine on Sunday. Then going into Monday, things are looking really nice as well. Even warmer at that point with highs in the mid 70s.